Titan used tractor. Original cab repainted. Replace the interior and exterior with new ones. Right rudder. Interior replacement. New engine 380 horsepower to euros. All accessories are new. Straight pump brand new. Brand new tires. Brand new steel ring. New battery. Dryer circuit valve brand new. Transmission completely disassembled. All damaged accessories inside are replaced with new ones. Replace the gear cylinder with a new one. All trachea. U-tube wires are all replaced. All axles dismantled. Replace all damaged accessories with new ones. Check all leaf springs. Replace all damaged leaf springs with new ones. Because of the brand new engine, all gearbox rear axles are dismantled for inspection. So use it for another 2 or 3 years. There are no quality problems at all. Repaired at China National Heavy Duty Truck Service Station. If you need it, please contact us.